Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show propagation waves and evanescent waves. Suppose the source of electromagnetic waves, waves emitted at the surface of the source. The propagation wave goes away and it is called far field, and sunlight is one example. On the other hand, the evanescent wave stays around the source. It is called near field. The feature is that evanescent wave has much larger wave amplitude, and then it decays exponentially at a distance away from the source. So the second body is placed in close proximity. The Casimir force acting on this body dominantly arises from evanescent waves. For summary, there are two waveforms, propagation wave and evanescent wave. Evanescent wave is a dominant contribution to Casimir forces. I hope it is clear. See you in the next video.